In this clip, I'm going to show you the ingredients you need to make your chicken pot pie. And here they are. First, we're going to have some diced carrots, some chopped celery, a little butter, some frozen peas, salt and pepper of course, chicken stock, a nice extra virgin olive oil. We're also going to need some flour for our roux, and I'll be talking about a roux a little bit later. Some russet potatoes, nice big hearty russet potatoes with the skin on. I like them that way. Some garlic, little red onion, some lovely delicious fresh herbs, some dill, and some marjoram. Marjoram is like a sweet oregano, which is really wonderful with chicken. This is our puff pastry. It's thawing right now. And finally, some beautiful chicken breasts. And those are the ingredients you'll need to make a delicious pot pie. In the next clip, I'm going to show you some of the basic equipment that you'll need. I hope to see you then.